But designing or redesigning a learning space can be fun. Flip through catalogs, brochures, websites, or go to a trade show, and you'll find all kinds of interesting modular desks, chairs, and some cool new furniture you may not have realized even existed. Yet as fun as that is, ISTE Standard 3 for coaches is less about stuff and more about how environments promote learning. In order to change the narrative from thinking about stuff to designing for learning, take a nod from noted learning space designer Bob Dylan, who asks, "What are your verbs?" His suggestions of explore, discover, and create say a lot more about the learning in a space rather than adjectives like kidney-shaped, stackable, or flexible. David Thornburg is a respected educational technology expert who has made important contributions to the research on effective technology use. His popular think piece, Campfires in Cyberspace, suggests educators consider different metaphors for designing learning spaces. He proposes the campfire, the watering hole, the cave, and life. Do those metaphors work for your own learning spaces? What other metaphors might you consider? And don't forget digital learning environments, even simple ones like a learning management system. What do digital environments offer to support learning? You may want to reflect on how you use all the spaces in a classroom or across the school to support learning. Chances are the same or similar types of learning experiences can be supported in digital environments, but you might need to explore them to understand how to use them. You wouldn't just use half of your physical classroom, so don't limit yourself in digital learning environments either. As you review resources in the companion document, consider the action steps you can take and the evidence you can collect to demonstrate you model and coach teachers to design and implement effective digital and physical learning environments. Many of these resources and their associated tasks can be found in the FCPS on SBIT's toolkit. The toolkit is too extensive to complete in about an hour, but you may want to refer to it for additional resources or tasks to meet your learning goals and demonstrate this standard.